Hi, I know what you're thinking. Why does she look so bougie?
I don't know.
It's the middle of the night. It's like literally 12:48 a.m.
I'm going brag, bitch bad and her ass fat. Ass mad I did a dash. She was spit on that dick like splat. Thought her ass get hit with his back. Like baseball, my nigga on that. Ain't nobody gon' play with my rats. VVS is around my neck. Bitch bad and her ass fat. Like baseball, my nigga on that. Ain't nobody gon' play with my rats. VVS is around my neck. Bitch bad and her ass fat.
Here we go. Hear this one.
I don't need you to hear y'all say on her knees to
Question?
I will roll up the politician, please. I don't need you to hear y'all say on her knees to 45 minutes to get out just we ain't even gonna make it to this club. Let my mascara running red lipstick smudge. Oh, he's so funny, yeah, he wants to.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Dreamer Drea here, back at again with another video. And today's video is a New Year's look. Woo! If you want to know how to recreate this look for New Year's, so you can get that special little kiss from someone, wink wink, you get it? I'm winking because I won't. It looks so cute. It looks extra because I'm being extra for once, like really extra. If you want to know how to do this look, just keep watching and let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, so I'm starting off with a fresh face. First we're going to put on primer. You know I put on 2. Brushing out my brows with a spoolie. We're just gonna start on, well, the brows, duh. I'm gonna use a pencil and concealer to clean it up. Taking a skin tone concealer shade, I'm just going over some dark spots on my face to cover them up. Now with a lighter shade, I'm just making it a base for my eyes so that the eyeshadow can stick to it. Taking a light brown shade from the Nubian palette, I'm just setting that concealer. From the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, go in with a pink color and kind of make a rounded curve in your eye and crease. Now take a hot pink and go in that same crease. Take light pink and go over that. From the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, take Love Letter and darken it up. Going back to the Nubian palette, we're just going to take a medium brown shade to darken it up even further, but mostly towards the B. Now take the darkest shade and concentrate that on the outer V just to darken it up even more. Taking that light concealer again, we're just going to carve out a half circle shape into our eyes. Now go back in with that dark brown and just blend on your outer V. Dip into dark purple from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and go right over that shade. Take that hot pink shade and blend that right in and right before the purple. Also blend it around in that outer V. Out of the Profusion Wonderlust palette, I'm just using the shade Gravity and putting that as a highlight on the inner corners of my eye and right before that pink. What do I gotta say to get to ya? Clean up under your eyes just a little bit. I'm not really going to explain much on this part because I'm just doing my usual face routine. So just sit back and watch.
Have you ever loved somebody so it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so bad? Just can't sleep, I just can't sleep at night. Find words, come out. Oh, have you
Now I'm just going back in with all of the shades that I had on my eyelid and just putting it on my lower lid. It's lash time, so now I'll be taking these lashes in the style Drip by Wild and Reckless. For my highlight today, I'll be using the shade Spectra from the Aurora palette. Beauty mark time.
Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something?
Did you think it was over? Because it's not. We still have the lips to go. Taking this dark brown liner, I'm just gonna line my lips and kind of blend out the edges.
Come on, right. Have you ever?
Now I'm using Victoria's Secret's Get Glossed in the shade Goddess. Over that, I'm using Victoria's Secret's Hollow Glow in the shade Ultraviolet. Finito!
And we gon' hear this one.
I don't need you to hear y'all say on her knees to question. I will roll up the politician, please. I don't need you to hear y'all say on her knees to 45 minutes to get out your skin. We ain't even gonna make it to this club. Now my mascara running red, lipstick smudge. Oh, he's so funny, yeah, he wants to fuck. He walked on my buttons and he ripped my blouse. He wanna color whiskey all on my gown. Order daddy, daddy.
She go again, fucking it up.
Hey, so I'm back and this is the completed look. Now that I have the makeup done, we can go ahead and move on to the outfit. I'm just going to change out of this robe really quick. Now, I'm ready. I'm here with the completed look. I feel great. I just feel everything. This outfit is actually from Forever 21. I know. It's really cute. I actually got this jacket and this shirt for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Drea. Don't forget to click that post notifications bell when you subscribe, because who wouldn't want to know when I'm uploading? Also, don't forget to follow my social medias. So I will link my Instagram right here, my Twitter right here, my Snapchat right here, and my SoundCloud just for good music. Without further ado, I will see you guys in the next year. Happy New Year's, y'all. I will be coming back with a lot of changes on this channel, all positive. Have a great 2020. Bye.
I never play these niggas too safe. We caught 2-2-3s in May. All my niggas do not play. Remember when I was sad? No.
Hi guys, so quick little announcement too is that I will be trying to do a giveaway in 2020. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will get more details on the giveaway and everything a little bit later on, because I'm not going to do the giveaway until this channel reaches 200 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe down below, because it's gonna be a nice like big giveaway soon, and I can't wait to do it. It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be my first giveaway too, just to, you know, all my supporters, all my day ones, my ride or dies and stuff like that, and even to my new subscribers as my channel is starting to grow. I absolutely love you guys for sticking around with me for a good, what, it's been like 2-3 years now doing this. Thank you for putting up with my like on and off, just me like going back and forth on here. But I will have a schedule set for 2020 so that you guys won't have to worry about like being like, oh my god, like what is she doing? She's not doing anything. Like she'll upload like every couple years, low-key. I'm so excited to be doing a giveaway soon. So if you want to know more about it, you better subscribe, because I'm not doing it until I hit 200. I'm already at 132 subscribers, so it shouldn't be that hard maybe in the beginning of 2020 to hit 200. Make sure you share out my channel to your friends and your family who want to learn more about makeup and fashion. That's it for the quick little announcements.
I never play these niggas too safe. We caught 2-2-3s in May. All my niggas do not play. Remember when I was sad? Now I'm back and I got no bags. Niggas looking at me mad. Cause fuck boy, I'm gon' brag. Bitch bad and her ass fat. Ass mad, I did a dash. She was spit on that dick like splat. Thought her ass get hit with his back. Like baseball, my nigga.
I'm a cow, bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat, I don't say meow. Moo, moo, cow. I must suck a nigga dick, it's a me-I-O. Shitting on these bitches, I'm the thing I know.
Y'all had to know I was about to play that song. Like, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat. I don't say meow. Come on, period. Y'all knew that was coming. Don't act like you didn't. You knew that was coming.